Hi everybody, welcome to EduTap, and I also want to welcome to the ARD Current Affairs series going on for the year 2026 cycle of NABARD grade examination. But these news not only would help you with NABARD grade exam, but whatever agriculture exams that you're giving and their current affair, if it is us, these news are going to help you. So the news that we're going to cover today is first of all, recently Access Pass has been granted for fishing in India's exclusive economic zones. ठीक है. We'll talk about it. What are exclusive economic zones, right? Why these pass have been given. We will talk about it. Next is CSIR transfers low GI glycemic index designer rice and other market ready technologies to some private companies. Which companies are they? Why they were selected? And what are the like transfer that has been done? We will look at it. And cabinet recently approved MSP for raw jute. So important MSPs are important, and NIF facilitates commercialization of farmer developed wheat and pigeon pea rice. इसके बारे में भी हम देखेंगे. ठीक है, कुछ varieties आई हैं market में. And if you have seen some of the previous year questions of NABARD, तो variety कभी कभी पूछ ली गई है. तो whatever that is in news, देखो all varieties we can't do, but the ones which are in news at least we can look at them. ठीक है. Starting off with launch of access pass for fishing in India's exclusive economic zones. So basically, first of all, exclusive economic zones. So see, for every country which has some water bodies connected to its mainland area, right? Some part of that water body is said to be it means you can say that it belongs to that particular country. And how much from your land to the sea to 200 nautical mile. What is nautical mile? It is a measurement of distance. जैसे we have kilometer, right? We have meter, kilometer. Similarly, when we do that in water, we call it nautical miles, right? So, for every country which is connected, of which land is connected to the water body, so 200 nautical mile belongs to them. Like whatever resources that exist under that particular area, means in that particular 200 nautical mile area, everything belongs to that particular country. So we have this much, right? We have around 200 nautical mile inside water, that the resources that we can utilize of water. But you know how much we currently utilize? We our fishermen, they are just currently they are utilizing only, or they are going inside the water just 40 to 50 nautical mile. So you can see that how much, vast area that is still left to explore. And in fact, a lot of, very you can say economically beneficially benefiting fishes, for example tuna, they reside inside that deeper area, right? So for that reason, ये pass जो लाई है government, वैसे basically this pass actually allows the motor boats to go deeper inside the water. It's not like that initially it was not allowed. It was like a lot of problems were there. For example, what are the legal rules related to going inside deep inside the water? There were no clear such rules before, right? So it was confusing for farmer also, how much they can go, how much they can't go. Secondly, what happens sometime what happened, like there are no safety measures deep inside the water, right, for fishermen, so they would not want to risk their life. And also, a lot of time farmers are not aware that what more they can explore inside the water, right? So because of these lot reasons, okay, they are deep inside the water was still unexplored. That is why government, they came up with the pass. It allows first of all farmers, right, to understand that there are a lot of resources deep inside the water which is economically beneficial for them. Secondly, the government has also come up with some protective gears, so that fishermen, if they're going deep inside the sea, they would not have to worry about. Government is there. If something mishap happens, government is there for them. Okay. And and thirdly, like, again, to get the इकोनॉमी बेटर, ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें हेल्प करेंगी. ठीक है. तो ये किसके अंदर आया है? दिस एक्सेस पास फॉर फिशिंग इन एक्सक्लूसिव इकोनॉमिक जोन्स. ठीक है. इट हैज कम अंडर द सस्टेनेबल हार्नेसिंग फिशरीज इन द एक्सक्लूसिव इकोनॉमिक जोन रूल 2025. ठीक है. What will happen? What is this pass about? This pass is about mechanized vessels and motorized vessels above 24 meter. They can have this pass free of cost, ठीक है, to get into the sea. ठीक है. While traditional non motorized crafts are exempted. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? इसका मीनिंग ये नहीं है that they are illegal, they can't can go, right? But the thing is that you can imagine, like we are talking about deep into the sea, right? So there, if these non-motorized crafts boats, they might not, sustain their if you compare that from a motor boat, right? तो motor boat को ये pass अगर मिलेगा, if motor boats have this pass, they can go deep inside, right? But जो traditional non-motorized craft है, like they can go as much deeper they want to go into the ocean as per their boat capability, and they are exempted from the pass. Like even if they go deeper inside, they would not be restricted, and if they don't want to go, it's not compulsion for them to go because of their non-motorized craft that they have, right? Motor boats are better functioning in deep inside the sea, right, if you compare to the traditional boats. Okay, pass is free of cost so that all can take the benefit, and from where you can take the pass from a portal with the name real craft. Okay, it has a full form registration and licensing of fishing crafts. Okay, ensuring a transparent and time bound digital process. Okay, and also this portal that we are talking about, it is integrated with your mpeda, just like epeda we had for agriculture. We have an authority known as mpeda with a full form Marine Product Export Development Authority, and as the name suggests, this particular authority promotes the export of the marine products that are captured or produced in India. ठीक है, तो ये जो authority है plus जो export inspection council है, both are integrated with real craft. Why? Because see, from where this excess pass will get from real craft, right? So these two authorities, they can check that how much production is happening, and they can make their plans and their all their plans accordingly, that how they can promote the marine products in the foreign country. ठीक है, for or export inspection council will provide with the health certificates, which will empower the fishermen, because then if they get the certificate, it means that the product that they are selling are of good quality, so they it will provide more opportunity in the foreign market to them. ठीक है, thereby supporting food export, ठीक है, through traceability and compliance. ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? टू प्रोमोट डीप सी फिशिंग, ठीक है, स्ट्रेंथनिंग द कम्युनिटी, फिशरीज कम्युनिटी. ठीक है, फार्मर्स वेलफेयर सेफ्टी मेजर्स क्या है? 1 लाख ट्रांसपॉन्डर्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट विल बी इंस्टॉल्ड. व्हाट आर दीज ट्रांसपॉन्डर्स? Basically, like deep into the sea, if any ship it gets lost, right, these transponder will track them. ठीक है, तो 1 lakh has already been like installed, right? So that this will give some surety to the fishermen that if they go deep inside the sea, they have some security present over there. ठीक है, 6 lakh fisheries farmers receive livelihood definitely, if more resources are available, then it will provide more opportunities. ठीक है, 1 लाख टोटल करने हैं, जिसमें से 50,000 हैज ऑलरेडी बीन इंस्टॉल्ड. ठीक है, एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस कवरेज, ठीक है, एनहांस टू 5 लाख, सो दैट अगेन टू एनकरेज देम फॉर द श्योरिटी. ठीक है, एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या क्या है? इंडियन कोस्ट लाइन कितनी है? 11,099 किलोमीटर, एंड वी हैव एक्सक्लूसिव इकोनॉमिक जोन. एरिया कितना है? एरिया की बात कर रहे हैं, नॉट द लेंथ. लेंथ इज लाइक 200 नॉटिकल माइल, बट एरिया कितना है? 24 लाख स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. ठीक है, मेन फोकस कहाँ पे? अंडमान एंड निकोबार एंड लक्षद्वीप, बिकॉज इंडियाज 49% of exclusive economic zone, it belongs to these two regions. ठीक है, तो मेन इसमें यही था. ठीक है, next, this is how like real craft registration and licensing of fishing craft, right? This is how the portal it looks like, and it is developed by Department of Fisheries and National Informatics Centers. ठीक है, it is available, the service that it provides, licensing जैसे ये access pass, ठीक है, registration of fishing vessels, ownership transfer, issuance of excess pass, ये सब चीज़ों के काम आएगा. ठीक है, and integrated with MPDA and EIC so that export potential can increase. So that was our first news. Coming to the second news, CSIR, National Institute for Interdisciplinary Science and Technology, they have transferred the indigenously developed technology to the industry partner. अब basically what is the thing? That the scientists, they are doing research, right? They are developing varieties, they are developing various methods by which agriculture sector is boosting. You can look it in a way, right? But now, like, they have developed a certain variety. Now how it will reach to the consumer, to the people? Because scientists work is just to develop the variety. It is not their work to then support it production, and then sell it to the consumer, right? So what these institute, they do, they develop something, and when it is like 100%, it is it is clear that like it can be sold to the consumer, then they raise then they open, you can say, bidding, right? In that bidding, a lot of companies, they come, they pitch themselves, that they will be producing, like, they would take up the technology, and then they would produce these XYZ whatever crops that has been developed, varieties has been developed, and they will sell it into the market. Now all the companies, they bid, okay, but then it depends like which company can actually have that space or area which can do the exact production, how much penetration of that particular company it has in the market, right? On that basis, companies are randomly selected. So for this particular technology transfer, which two companies were selected in the bid? One was Tata Consumer Products Limited, and another one is SS Soul Foods, ठीक है, तमिलनाडु की, ठीक है. For them, a lot of technology transfer will happen of a lot of crops. जैसे कि सबसे इसमें important जो है, आपका एक राइस है, ठीक है. राइस में यूजुअली क्या होता है, जो वाइट राइस होता है, द पॉलिश्ड वाइट राइस दैट वी ईट, सो इट स्पाइक्स योर शुगर वेरी लाइक क्विकली, राइट? एंड दैट इज बैड फॉर डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स, ठीक है. तो इसमें दीज टाइप इन दिस राइस विच हैज बिन लाइक फॉर विच द टेक्नोलॉजी हैज बिन ट्रांसफर्ड, एज सच कोई स्पेसिफिक नेम वाज नॉट गिवन in the news, right? So the rice is of low glycemic index. Glycemic index is actually what is responsible for the sugar spike. So it's good, okay. And this particular rice is fortified or added with high protein and micronutrients, okay, so that people who are consuming there, this additional requirement of protein and micronutrients that can be fulfilled, okay. Because what happens usually in Asia and African region, like rice is consumed a lot, right? So carbohydrate is being eaten a lot, but जो micronutrients है, protein है, that is not fulfilled. The demand of the or the need of the body is not fulfilled, right? So it causes hidden hunger. Hidden hunger means your stomach is full, but you are deficient of the micronutrients, right? So that is why that has been added. क्या क्या ऐड हुआ है? आयरन हुआ है, फॉलिक एसिड और विटामिन B12 जो है ऐड हुआ है, ठीक है. So apart from that, other technologies were also transferred. Coffee Cerema technology was transferred, ठीक है, to Tata Consumer Products, ठीक है. Bio based cardinal polyol modified polyurethane dispersion technology has been like switched, ठीक है, for leather fishing and metallic coating, ठीक है. तो बहुत सारे इसमें शिफ्ट हुए हैं. मेन जो आपको ध्यान रखना है, that was about like this, ठीक है. जो आपका राइस के बारे में, उसके बारे में आपको ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है, ठीक है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, सम अदर प्रोडक्ट्स वर ऑल्सो लाइक, जैसे जैवम है, ठीक है, इट इज़ अ इंजीनियर्ड माइक्रोबायोम, ठीक है. व्हाट हैपेंस यूजुअली, like especially in composting grounds, you know, something when it is decomposing, it smells a lot, it takes a lot of time, and it becomes unbearable for the people around that area, right? So Javam is a engineered microbe that has been developed, which what it does, it does the rapid decompose thing, ठीक है. And because of which odor is not there, ठीक है, faster decomposing without odor, ठीक है, without the smell, ठीक है, without any other leaching of, you know, the टॉक्सिन्स, दोज थिंग डज नॉट हैपन, ठीक है. सिक्योर्ड फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल लाइसेंसेस, ठीक है. इसके अलावा प्लांट बेस्ड लेदर ऑल्टरनेटिव्स हैज बीन लाइक ट्रांसफर्ड. सो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग, लो सोडियम सॉल्ट फॉर्मुलेशन हैज बीन ट्रांसफर्ड, ठीक है. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ये ट्रांसफर, टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर हुआ है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थर्ड न्यूज इज कैबिनेट अप्रूव्स MSP, ठीक है. व्हाट इज दिस? देखो, जूट क्या होता है? जूट बैग्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन, ठीक है, ऐसे बैग्स देखे होंगे. तो इट इज मेड अप ऑफ योर रॉ जूट जो है, दैट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू द बैग्स, ठीक है. तो अभी कितना उसके लिए सपोर्ट प्राइस कितना दिया? MSP 5925, ठीक है. तो 5925 है. इसके अलावा कुछ अदर डिटेल्स है, राइट? जैसे 61.8% ऑफ ऑल इंडिया वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट से ज़्यादा है इसका, ठीक है. देन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लास्ट टाइम से 275 पर क्विंटल बढ़ाया है, तो ये कुछ चीज़ें इसमें थी, ठीक है, बेसिकली, ठीक है. Coming to the last news, National Innovative Foundation again, which comes under the Department of Science and Technology, they have made some high yielding crop varieties, ठीक है, and they have transferred it to Guinea Agro Product Limited for commercialization. As we have seen, some was given to Tata, right, of the varieties that were developed by CSIR. तो National Innovation Foundation ने जो bidding करी थी, means जो bidding निकाली थी, in that Guinea Agro Product Limited, they got the license or certification for growing this, ठीक है, for the truthfully labeled seed. Basically, see, there are category of seeds depending on how much genetic purity it has. Genetic purity means what the breeder wanted to have in that particular crop, ठीक है. The first one is your breeder seeds, ठीक है. तो breeder seed means the seeds that are being developed by breeders, so it has 100% genetic purity, ठीक है. 100% genetic purity means it is exactly what the breeder want. But what happens in every generations, there are some alternation in genes that keep on happening. तो breeder seed के बाद आता है आपके foundation seed, ठीक है. Foundation seed have 99.5% purity. Below that then we have certified seed. Certified have around 99% purity. फिर then is your truthfully labeled seed. Basically truthfully labeled seeds, when you know what happens again, these breeder seed, foundation seeds, they are multiplying in number, right? But to now fulfill the demand of the consumer, now we have to do it in the vast area, the production of these seeds, right? So or the production of these crops, right? So then these are being sold, or the technology is transferred to the private, you can say, institute, or maybe any company or anything, okay, who have that much of space that they can do the production, and then penetration of these products can actually happen in the market, okay. So truthfully labeled seeds are those seed where that company who is taking up the technology self claims that they are going to keep the genetic purity as close as possible, and around 98% genetic purity tak, like it's being said that they try to achieve, so that liberty is given to them. तो ये कौन सी truthfully labeled seeds ये बनाएंगी, ठीक है. These are the varieties that has been developed. Kudrat 8, that is of wheat variety. Kudrat 9 is also wheat. Annapurna is also wheat. Then we have Kudrat 3, that is of pigeon pea. Please keep in mind 8 and 9 is of wheat, but Kudrat 3 is of pigeon pea, and Lalita is also of pigeon pea, ठीक है. तो 3 for your wheat and 2 varieties for your pigeon pea was there, ठीक है. So these were all the news. Now let's look at the questions, ठीक है. In February the access pass for exclusive economic zone fishing is issued through which portal, ठीक है. कौन सा portal है, तो yes, real craft is the right answer. In February CSIR transferred a low GI designer rice technology, rice fortified with which of the following micronutrients. तो देखो micro जो nutrients से कौन कौन से थे, take a minute, you can pause the video and then read the option. Yeah, option number 1 is the right answer. Iron, folic acid, and vitamin B12, along with 3x times the protein that exists in the normal rice. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इन फेब्रवरी द जैवम टेक्नोलॉजी. तो ये जैवम टेक्नोलॉजी किस चीज़ के लिए थी, तो दैट वाज फॉर द रैपिड एरोबिक कॉम्पोजिशन डिकम्पोजिशन, ठीक है. और या कंपोस्टिंग भी आप बोल सकते हो. देन इन फेब्रवरी एमएसपी ऑफ जो आपका रॉ जूट है वो कितना डिसाइड हुआ है, दैट हैज़ बिन डिसाइडेड योर 5925 पर क्विंटल. कमिंग टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडे, कमर्शलाइजेशन राइट्स फॉर फार्मर डेवलप क्रॉप वेराइटीज वर ग्रांटेड फॉर सेल इन विच कैटेगरी ऑफ सीड. जो भी रिसेंटली 5 क्रॉप वेराइटीज दी गई हैं, ये किसके लिए दी गई हैं, दैट वाज फॉर द ट्रुथफुली लेबल सीड, ठीक है. नाउ होमवर्क फॉर यू ऑल, द रियल क्राफ्ट पोर्टल जो यूज हुआ है उसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है, ऐसे क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आते हैं, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर आस्किंग. सो दैट इज ऑल इन दिस वीडियो. इफ यू फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू यूट्यूब चैनल, एंड टू गेट द पीडीएफ ऑफ दिस एंड एवरी lecture here on YouTube, you can join our Telegram channel. So that is all for today. I wish you all the very best for your preparation, and thank you.